What's up YouTube? I'm here today to compare the two USB cables between the Apple brand and the off brand from Sonic from Amazon. So right here the left side is the original Apple one and the right one is the knockoff brand. So let me pull this out real quick. Do a little comparison. Left one is the Apple. Top one is Apple. Bottom one is the cheap brand. Put this back in. Both go in smooth. So the Apple one is about 43.3 inches long, so a little bit under 2 feet, and this one is 6 feet long. So let me zoom in the comparison. Here's the Apple one, and the right one is the cheap brand. Not much difference I can see. Maybe a little bit of design. So let me try to hook it up to my Apple iPhone 4. This is the Apple one. Goes in real easy. See, lighting it up real fast. Let me turn this off. Now this one I noticed that it'll take a little bit. See, it went in smoothly and it works. So let's check out a little description about this. 6 feet long USB. See, only $2.25 free shipping. Now I noticed that some people say that it didn't work for them, but mine has never given me any trouble. See, that's pretty amazing, you know. You got 251 stars, so I guess you're taking a chance. But for the price, I think it's worth the risk. So once again, I recommend this product. Peace.